Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today I am back with another haul because I know it's all of your favourites. Everybody loves a haul. I love a haul, you love a haul, so that's what we're doing today, a haul. But today I'm doing it on the brand Hello Molly, which is like an Australian brand if you don't know, and they just sell like the cutest little like dresses and skirts and summery pieces. I'm literally obsessed with everything on their website, so when they got in contact and asked me like if I wanted to pick out a few things and do like a haul on them, I was like yes please, because they just had so much good stuff and I can't wait to wear all the bits once it's like sunny out and on holiday and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with the haul. I do actually have a 10% discount code for you guys, so I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, I'll try on all the bits and everything will be linked down below. Okay, so the first dress I got looks like this. So it's like a midi dress, and it's made of like that kind of scrunchy-ish material. I'm not sure how to describe it. You'll see what it looks like on, but it's just a really cute dress. I thought in the summer you could wear it with like a pair of heels for like a really nice dinner out, or just with like sandals during the day. But yeah, I just thought it was so cute, and it has these like little like frilly bits as you kind of go down. I feel like it's very like Spanish-esque, you know. But I got this in a size small, I'm pretty sure. So you'll see what it looks like on. I got some things in a size small and some things in a size medium. So next up I have another dress. I'm pretty sure I have like all dresses in this haul. But it's this little like white and red kind of floral dress, and then it kind of like frills out at the bottom. It has these like really cute sleeves and this little like tie here. Yeah, such a cute dress. It's made of like a really nice kind of like thin materials. It's going to be great when it's like super hot out. But I think I got this in a size small. However, I kind of wish I got it in the size medium because it is quite tight and short on me. However, beware, like I am tall, I'm 5'9", so a lot of like little summer dresses do look short on me. That's just kind of the way it is. I absolutely love the colour of this dress. I think it's so nice. But yes, it kind of goes down here and then frills out at the bottom, and you wear it kind of off your shoulders like that. Has long sleeves and it's kind of like cuffed there. Again, I got this in a size small. I probably could have gone for a medium, I'm not sure, but yeah, really cute. I think just for summer it's gonna look so nice. Again, absolutely love the colour, especially when you're on holiday and you've got a tan. I think it's gonna look so nice. Also, I'm really sorry if the light keeps on changing in this video. It's like half sunny and half cloudy out, so whenever the sun goes behind a cloud it gets like dark, and then the sun comes out and it gets really light, so I keep on having to like change the settings. But yeah, next thing I have to show you guys is just this little like black off the shoulder top. It's really good material. It's like a kind of like thick knitted material, but you just wear it kind of off your shoulders, and it has these like little like slits in the sleeves, which I thought was cute. But yeah, you could just tuck this into like denim jeans or denim shorts or something. And size wise, I can't remember. I think I got this in a size medium. The next item I have is just this really cute little like yellow sundress. Again, it's in this like kind of floral pattern, but I just thought it was so cute, and it has these little like buttons going down kind of the front and these little like puffy sleeves. But you'll see what it looks like on. I haven't actually tried it on yet, so I'm hoping it looks good. But I think this would look really nice with just like a pair of like white trainers or something. Just keep it like super casual for during the day. And again, I got this in a size medium. Next up I have this like cream, it's almost in like a knit material, so it's like a cream knitted dress. I feel like it's hard to show you, but you'll see what it looks like on. But it kind of like crosses over in the front, and then you just have this little tie around the middle, and then it kind of like frills out at the bottom. But I just thought it was really cute, and then you have these like massive kind of balloon sleeves. I'm pretty sure I got this in a size small, but yeah, I think it's great for those kind of like cooler summer days. I probably wouldn't wear it on like a super hot day because it is quite like a thick knitted kind of fabric. However, when it's like slightly cooler, maybe like an overcast day, I think this is really nice. Or maybe of like an evening when you're going out for dinner or like drinks or something. I then have this like black and white kind of like polka dot dress. It's really simple, but I just wanted like a dress that you can kind of throw on just on like a summer's day. So it has these little like frill sleeves, and it just goes down into some like little more frills. I feel like every single dress I show you have got like little frills on it, but I just think for summer it looks really good. Again, I got this in a size medium. I just thought again with like white trainers would look really nice, or heels or something. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. And then last up I have this dress here, which is in like a kind of mint green with these like red kind of flowers all over it. But yeah, super cute. Has these little like sleeves. I haven't tried this on yet, so I'm not sure what it's like on, but I'm sure you'll see in like the try on. But yeah, it's another like great dress just for like a summer's day, and I can't wait to wear it when it gets like a little bit hotter here. Okay, so that is everything I picked up from Hello Molly. I really hope you enjoyed this like summer spring haul. Of course it will all be linked down below if you did want to go check anything out. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!